So, next up, Fujitsu Network Communications. And Jim Hintz is going to tell us about what's going on at Fujitsu. Jim?
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here, as well as to be nominated in the Corporate Horizon category. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking about our company, as well as our new technology solutions in a category called packet optical networking, which many of the industry pundits and our top customers are calling a game changer. While Fujitsu is headquartered in Japan, my division, Fujitsu Network Communications, is actually one of the founding members of MTBC back in August of 1994 and helped to establish the telecom corridor. Today, our 143-acre campus employs about 1,200 of your neighbors, and it's the only place in North America that you're going to find an optical networking company manufacturing all of its products. So we've got 1 million square feet, including factory over in Richardson, where we do all of our network integration. We're also very proud to be active in the community here through our volunteer time. We've got a number of people that are involved in the hospital boards, Chamber of Commerce, Boys and Girl Scouts, and the Red Cross. Since our Richardson headquarters opened in 1994, we've developed much of the communication technologies that carriers use in their business. And most of the networks that you see out there from AT&T and Verizon were built to support voice networks. And through the evolution to support high-speed video and voice for emails, YouTube, those networks are really being strained in order to deliver those. So we've been able to work closely with our customers in order to evolve their networks from being able to deliver voice to Ethernet-based services. And with that, with our integration back in our Richardson facility, we've also had our supply chain. Many of the people there have worked with UTD to get their supply chain management degrees from the Center for Intelligent Supply Network. So again, we're working very closely on developing and delivering next generation Ethernet services. What we submitted our nomination for is in this new category called packet optical networking. Let me describe for you the real world context that sets the stage for our latest product. Our customers have invested billions of dollars over decades to build networks to support voice and data needs. But today, as our broadband data needs have skyrocketed, these networks are being asked to carry high-definition video and more scalable infrastructure based on Ethernet. Now, many of our competitors that have entered into this arena have adopted their platforms by adding Ethernet to it. We ended up taking a very different approach, and we built a ground-up platform that has Ethernet and high-speed data delivery as its basis. And this has allowed us to transform the network so that voice will inevitably become just a service on a high-speed data network. This also allows us to take a platform that could have been designed just for North America, and for the first time, this has allowed us to globalize our business. Industry analysts and trade press both responded positively to our development, awarding several Best New Products awards and acknowledging Fujitsu ushering in a new era in communications technologies. The FlashWave 9500 platform won the prestigious Frost & Sullivan Award for product differentiation and innovation, which is given to the product that is expected to significantly contribute to the industry in terms of product performance and rate of technical change. The product also won the Light Reading Leading Lights Award for Best New Product by a public company, over hundreds of entries and 5 finalists, which included Apple's iPhone. Most importantly, though, the platform has been adopted by several dozen carriers, including Verizon, to become the backbone for its next generation broadband infrastructure. So I've spent the last few minutes introducing you to our company, technology, and the 9500 specifically. I've also shared a number of what we call FBOs, or first, best, or only claims, achievements we're proud of in driving the success of our business. But what does this all mean to you? Advances in technology like the 9500 make it possible for carriers to deliver broadband access to a greater number of users, and to make broadband services more valuable. Even in challenging economic times, broadband growth continues, increasing 15% between April 2008 and April 2009. The time is coming when we'll all have access to bandwidth connectivity in more ways in more places around the world than ever before, what Yankee Group calls the Anywhere Revolution. At Fujitsu, we're proud to be at the forefront of this dramatic network transformation, and on behalf of our 1,200 Richardson-based employees, I'd like to thank the MTBC for recognizing us as a finalist in the Tech Titans Award. Thank you.